motley crew. How was it, girls?
It's really good. It's fun. My horse's name was Nevada.
And mine was Latte, so.
Right foot, let's step. Left foot, let's step. Cha-cha now, y'all. Now it's time to get funky. To the right now. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One half this time. One half this time. Right foot, two steps. Left foot, two steps.
You're gonna go to miss already. Oh, there's a line for something. Already. Oh my gosh, look at this. Thank you so much. Woo!
I know, right?
Wow.
Just rain right behind home.
Man, that thing's fast. Lizard's gonna lick Sadie here in a second. See if I can make
There's
it
a
line up.
lizard.
Sadie, look out! The lizard's gonna get you. Oh, it got you.
Hi.
Oh, it got you. Hey, buddy. Chloe, he wants you to go in.
I'll come in a second.
Hey, Chloe, why don't you go around the corner and catch up? Sadie, how do you like it? It's awesome. Wave pool time.
Spicy pickle.
Not bad though.
You are the last person to eat.
Do it!
Are you kidding?
Try it. Try it. It's really good.
Good mac and cheese.
That is not okay. That is not okay.
That is definitely not okay.
Is it good?